Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I will be doing a tutorial on none other than knotless braids. Yes, I know I have a lot of videos up on knotless braids, but this is literally my favorite style to do, especially on the girls because it's pain-free. And I also needed to sample this hair that I received from EZBRAID because I am a brand ambassador. And even though Christmas season is over, I still feel like green can be used any time of the year. It's my favorite color, so I'm a little biased. I did list the products used on the screen, so just in case anybody had any questions about how much hair I use, about the products that I use, everything will be listed. So basically, I decided to do large parts with medium-sized braids because I think that they last a little bit longer and it's less heavy. You know, she doesn't really like a lot of braids in her hair. So this, I did just enough to where I could be able to style it, but not too much to where, you know, it wouldn't weigh her head down. And I tried to make this video as short as possible. But basically all I'm doing is I'm defining the part. I'm adding in 3 to 4 pieces of hair. Listen, don't quote me because I did not count. I just kind of feel for it because none of the pieces that I add in are exactly precise. So I kind of just feel for it. And if it feels right, then I continue on. So I'm braiding these all the way down to the ends. Even though I will be curling them, I still like that finished look of them being braided all the way down to the ends. I feel like it stops them from unraveling, and it also just creates a more finished, polished look. Listen, words cannot describe how much I love this hair. But once I took it out the package, I realized that it's basically green all the way around, even though it's kind of ombre. So I was going to do her whole head this color, but when I saw the hair out the pack, I was like, nah, we can't do her like that. So I decided to do 2 full rows of green in the back, and then I did another row, but I only did them in the middle. Is it just me, or is that last braid like so exciting? I cannot wait to get to the last braid. I'm just like, yes, finally over. I could finally like do something else. Because Lord knows I was tired when I was doing this. I'm tired every day, so. Anyways, as I finished this down, I decided to not keep them straight because these were a little bit long. This hair is 26 inches and she's tiny. So I was like, you know what, let me curl the end. So I found some rollers, some tiny rollers, so that the curls will be a little bit more tighter. So I got tighter rollers, or tight rollers, and I only used 4, and I just, twirled them around the ends and dipped them in hot water. Take it out, and then whatever straight pieces that I saw when unwinding them, I clipped off, so that the curls, it wouldn't weigh the curls down. Kind of, you want them bouncy. And pretty much that's it. And so we did record a video on how to style these. So that video will be up either today or tomorrow on different hairstyles for knotless braids for kids. So if you guys are interested in seeing that video on how to style your kids knotless braids, please stay tuned for that. It was super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.
Hi guys, thank you for watching this video.